Alright, I wanted to do a video on locksmithing and picking locks, things like that. Check my other videos if you haven't seen it yet. I did a video on picking locks with traditional locksmithing tools. In that video you can just hit my other videos and you can see that. This video is about Bumpkey. Now, I went on eBay and I bought a set of Bumpkeys, and in there was this key. This will fit, I don't know if I'm saying this right, Schlage. Is it Schlage? S-C-H-L-A-G-E. Now that's the lock here. It's a very high quality deadbolt lock. Now this is a deadbolt lock. And as you can see, it's a real deadbolt lock. You can turn it here. Here it is. Now this is locked. This is unlocked. So right now it's locked. It'd be, if the door was closed, it'd be locked. It's a real lock. This is a real door. There's nothing fake about this. But this is a high quality, very high quality lock. Now I bought these bump keys on eBay, and I'm going to show you how to use the bump key, but I have a secret. I have another way to do this that's on no other videos. I checked them all. Nobody's done this yet. It's a new way to hit the key. Now you put the key in, and you see it doesn't turn. It doesn't work at all because it's a bump key. But the key is you put the bump key in, and then you pull it out one click, and then you bump it, and then you hit it in, but you have to keep a slight pressure on it. And you could do this all day, and it might work. See how I'm putting pressure on it with my bottom of my thumb? And you know, it might work, it might not, but everyone else, if you look at the other videos, they use a hammer, they use a rubber hammer, they hit it with a screwdriver, something. But here's my secret. This what makes my video different. I found this little gadget. Look at this. Now what it is a spring tool. You can get it from springtools.com, and no, they're not paying me for this, but springtools.com. This particular one is in this particular box you get a whole bunch of different ones, but you don't need to buy this. All you need to buy is the nail set. This particular one is the nail set combination, nail starter and nail set, and that's the only one you need, is the nail set. I don't know which one it is, but that's all you need. One side has kind of a hole for the nail. The other side sets the nail. You put the nail in, it gets it started, and then this sets it. Now, again, spring tools. That's my secret. Okay, that's the whole secret of this video, is the spring tool. It makes this so much easier. Okay, I want to show it to you, obviously. You got the spring tool. You want to use the blunt side, the big blunt side that you put the nail in. The other side's too sharp. You don't want to use that. You want to use the blunt side and just hit the key. I'm going to show you how it works. So you pull the key out, put it in. This is the bump key. Again, it doesn't work. Pull it out one click. Now you've got to keep a slight tension, not too much tension. It's a feel, you have to practice, but you need to do a slight tension with the finger here, and then you put the bump key in, or you put the nail set here, and you hit it. I missed it there. Right, and you have to keep doing it until you get it. It takes a little bit, but I got it before I did the video. It worked almost immediately. So a little bit. What it does is it snaps the key in, and then all the pins go up over the shear line, and it opens the lock. I missed it that time. When I tested this earlier, it only took about 3 tries, and It did it right away. I might have did it that time and I missed it. I pulled it out 2 clicks this time. They say you only pull it out 1 click. I did this earlier. I did it on the 3rd try. Reset. Alright, it's taking me longer than I thought. I'm going to try it the other way. No, I don't want to do that. I want to try it to the right. Pull it out. Of course, now when I'm doing the video, it doesn't work. But it did. I'm telling you, it worked. Maybe pull the whole thing out, reset everything. Arm's getting tired here. Remember, this is a high quality lock, so it's going to take practice. Alright. There we go. There, I got it. So it took a while. It did take a little while, but it worked. It went in the shear line and it worked. It took me longer than I thought, but I did this before the video, and of course, you know, it only took me a couple seconds. But that time it did finally work, and it unlocked. It unlocked the key, so it turns. Now I turned it the wrong way. I should have turned it the other way to retract it. But it did work. I'll try it again and go the other way, because that'll actually unlock the lock. So kind of get your fingers kind of. Thought I had it there. Well, pull it out one lock, one. It's kind of hard to get tension on it and do this at the same time. I'll try it like this. Alright, why is my brain not working here? I almost got it that time. I could feel it. There we go. Now that time I pulled it way out and it seemed to work better. So that might be the secret. You saw me just do that. I actually had it way out, alright? And it seemed to work better. So that might be a secret too. There we go. Now that